kardom nilitum karbi kursa chinglom mamai kekesia hinpen tiri pialong kesulang ponbom nalitum kadu kawia thengno ethe alam pachini gangtung do khei kedoan mate sumsiang jati jabol kaprek sitame mate karbiam sitame nalitum yang si somsuri si sosea keso nang bang arjong long do plotangte nabang so keso pengka cepa meji aphan nilitum kekesia long nang humri iktame nilitum along nang humri pen nalitum akeso cepa jok bon longji la pena duntu nilitum nabang soron ke klempon la ke karbi kursa chingrong mai pela bangke aron barim hempu mukrang pira singja arnam pharo aron atang pesi hakko pirthe plangra pesi nitum nang ke klem nang kedang la si nilitum pen kapachinia teng penai tum na ka humri pen nabang so keso don ra pen kadu ko be pen reng dok reng ni ki do ra pen je phansi nitum ke kesia hin pen nang to phan pachini pon no kardom
Pre-Christmas celebrated in Langlokso. Contractor is serious of completing RCC bridge over Dekrung River within April 2021. Villagers requested for full-time staff in Senso Bay Medical Subcenter. APHLC organized 6th schedule awareness program at Dongka Chingtu. Death anniversary of Vinod Misra observed in Hanjang Langso.
Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates.
Sarthi Tokbi village celebrated pre-Christmas at its church in Langlokso on Saturday. Benjamin Teron presided over the meeting, which was also held on the occasion. Ex-Ketikas Benjamin Ronghang, Samilangso Church Committee President Hurjo Teron, Bor Teron, William Rongpi attended the celebration. Jirsong Terang from Samilangso, 365 News India. Contractor Alam Khan, who is carrying out the construction of an RCC bridge over Dekrung River in Koilamati, has assured of completing the bridge within April 2021 to a delegation of local people who met him on Saturday. The delegation consisted of SGB Lawrence Teron, Kasumari Polling Center President Philip Terang, Koilamati Development Committee Office Secretary Boson Rongphar, Horusing Bay from PWD Department, Koilamati Lamps Secretary Mohan Teron and others. The construction of the bridge was irregular, but of late it has picked up pace, and the assurance by the contractor have brought happiness to the people of the area who have shown appreciation. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM, MACs, MP, MLA and the contractor. Moses Teron from Nilip, 365 News India.
Ram rong hangapan, choro parpik lo, nilitum kachuning ria teng pen, labang so delong, nang patang pipa prap nang yipu pen, non, alang li contractor masame chipulo, March April la cekleon thom kliang bong pen bangke 2021 na bangke patang vek populo la si sarapan apora teng pen la bangso akam nang pangcheng pithe kapot la pen rada ke sung akelak school somarapan kedam ke bang siksak kado kave nilip arapan an isi akejoy ke atowar nang thopi pot alang pan la bangso delong nang patang pidap pan step ke anapot choro parpik lo la penang pars tame contractor akai Alam Khan phans tame choro parpik lo alangli sab technical problem ben si chu sab der chat pulo si non bang kalangli methang tame dak nang chudun klung pen la bang so delong tang tik kalangli dopo pulo la si niltum akhalo je 2021 April ba May lam pen ke delong ki mi kopilo chehlat long pu la si litum nilip lapen Koilamati lapen Karbiang long arat diagram adelong bangke tangpo lapen tangvek po pusi chihok lo lasi contractor.
Senso Bay Medical Subcenter under Sarupathar MAC constituency was established more than 30 years ago to cater to the medical need of Senso Bay and other adjoining villages. However, lack of full-time staff including doctors and nurses in the sub-center have deprived the villagers of medical services in the sub-center. The road leading to the sub-center is also in a very bad state. The villagers have now requested Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang and Medical EM to appoint full-time staff in the sub-center at the earliest so that people of the area can avail medical services in the sub-center. The villagers have also requested for the construction of a blacktopping road to the sub-center. Jotno Singh Bay from Borpothar, 365 News India. The All-Party Hills Leader Conference organized a 6th schedule awareness program at Dongkachingtu Playground on Saturday. The party has organized the program with the purpose of spreading awareness about the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution among the general public. John Ingti Katar, Babul Rongpi, Angtong Ingti, APHLC Hawarkehat Unit President Suren Kramsa and several other party leaders attended the meeting presided over by Siongod Rongpi. The party leaders spoke in details about the provisions, power of the 6th schedule and the importance of its implementation in Karbi Anglong in order to protect the rights of the Karbis and other tribal people. The leaders have also demanded patas for all the Karbis, deletions of non-tribal voters from the council voter list and strongly opposed land ownership by the non-tribals in 6th schedule areas, criticizing the consecutive governments in the council for its failure to implement 6th schedule in the district in spite of being clearly mentioned in the Indian Constitution. The party leaders have demanded the full implementation of the 6th schedule in Karbi Anglong at the earliest. Jirsong Terang from Samilangso, 365 News India.
Ason kapre kali dak Dongkachingtu bubadir ho. Dongkachingtu adim nitum la 6th schedule awareness campaign. 6th schedule alam pacini nangji la pen allo selam vek nangji la solam. Itum council atum pan high court pen da order pilo la pen ke halak 6th schedule ta order dolo seta nonanta selam lede. Alang le ilitum council tum ta poisa ke nang rabdun log high court order high court case ki piaut ke seta halatum aku law silam nang ni puta alang litum advocate nang chetoy dun tu council pen la puja parlin parlo puta claim that puta mita claim that puta claim that pumayong la son kipu na son je ya manserong la son la puja puta claim that aman no bangke ka che plang bangke aprang pen ke poisa na pidun ke ni litum pan lo puning pang samjin dia pan chot arokom la ning pang nang ke nam la dia binong ke nam de ji po pan lo
Wana na pidung sa
5 lakhs la so na pidun council pen an par ke ni tu me thang si ka chi rung se khoros non a pian ke ni tu me thang ai se lu the ke chen ko ke alang litum ta claim Allah silam ing tung pik pusi ki pu mati hai di ing tung pik lo pu mati amati hok bon pun le tung ke aman nang rap du amat ba pi ke nang ke nam pina la masin non ke poisa ta hang thu the det le amasin non ta case ta me thang si case ke hai thu det lo se ta hala council du mang Allah bang silam thu the det le ka silam yi le hala high court long ke dan hota hai di silam nang ni pusi advocate na che toy dun thu ha su ta parlin parlo munit tum han ka pilu kam la puya la si non ni tum thek long lo la BJP do tik thu ke hadi joga munit ame non ke rong hang sang ho CM lo anor ka prek le CM nang ke plang se ta hadi BJP do tik Congress do tik thu ke la ka silam le lo la pen CPIML do tik ta hadi la ka silam le lo regional party nelitum APHLC atum wang flut plate tik thu ke hadi la sa lo ka silam le lo la pen ke lo ka silam le along si ilitum along le phelang anta bang phan GPS lo nang than PS lo non ke ilitum karbi pietom phan ta bang bongali tum ka chon nep ka du ko velo arnai sinang litum ta chini lo nilitum chief minister phan memorandum ta tumidik lo DC phan ta pidam lo thanam lo ha borlang phera lo sarthe chinthong aro ke la son akahe no ke claim bang e uttom mujumdar
ASDC and CPIML observed the death anniversary of Vinod Misra at the party's office at Hanjanglangso on Friday. Vinod Misra was an communist politician who served as the General Secretary of the Communist Party of India. Liberation between 1975 and 1998. Former MP Dr. Jayanta Rongpi, BDC General Secretary Longki Phangcho, Amlong Ingti, Nirmans Ramik Karbi Anglong in charge, SYJ President Rajesh Ingti, General Secretary Rocky Tongpi were also present on the occasions. Later, a discussion was held on how to strengthen ASDC and CPIML and bring welfare in the district. Jotno Singh Bay from Borpothar, 365 News India.
And you viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India.